Wait a second. Is my cat asleep? Dead asleep, not moving, completely knocked out on the couch. I tiptoe to the kitchen. It's 3 a.m. I'm trying not to wake anyone up. I slowly open the fridge, but then, watch this. Comment meow if your cat does this too. Before the fridge light even turns on, she's already there, like she teleported, sitting, staring, judging. I didn't hear a single footstep, no sound, nothing. You won't believe what happens next. She doesn't want food. She just sits there, staring into my soul. And then this happens. She slowly turns around and walks away. Zero interest. Just wanted to supervise. Ma'am, this is a Wendy's.